Hi guys, it's me, Indiana Jones. Guess what I'm up to? That's right, I'm taking part in the Minis Playlist Challenge. This is being hosted by my dear sweet friend Corie of Crafted by Corie, and she came up with this wonderful idea for a monthly challenge where you have to make miniature or small items that you can place on your tier tray. But I'm going to take it one step further, Corie. That's right, you heard me. I'm wacky enough to do it. So, let's get started. So this episode is going to be called Corie, I Shrunk the Tier Tray, because that's what I'm making today, a miniature tier tray with some Dollar Tree products and my handy dandy Surebonder stick with the best glue gun. So let's stick with the best and get started. So I would consider telling you to paint that little stick before you attach it. It would have been easier. But I just used one of those, those handles from those spongy paintbrushes, and it was perfect. Now I'm putting together these tumble blocks. That's right, Dollar Tree tumble blocks. They're good for everything. And we're going to make one of those little wooden signs that we see on all of our tier trays. That's right, we're just replicating a tier tray, but in miniature form. So you know the drill, you're going to just, paint your little wood blocks like I'm doing here, and then wiping it off just to make it dry real quick. I am going to use these beautiful little rub-on transfers that was sent to me by a dear friend, Theresa B DIY. Woohoo! Shout out to you, Theresa. She is a wonderful fellow YouTuber and creator and crafter. Please check out her channel. I'm going to link it down below. Anyway, I am just transferring that beautiful little rose and the little saying so I can create my little sign like you would have on any tiered tray. So, what's a tiered tray without a wood bead garland? I mean, come on, I gotta make one. So I found the smallest beads I had around the house and made a wood bead garland. But what I really want to talk about is our special, wonderful hostess, Corie, of Crafted by Corie, and here she is. That's right, guest appearance, there she is. Oh, she's a sweetheart. Check out her channel. She has thrift flips, DIYs, crafting, Dollar Tree hauls. I mean, she does it all, so check it out. Now I'm using the top of this perfume bottle or cologne bottle and making that into like a wooden little pot. It's perfect. You can't miss it. So look around your household and check out what you have around that you can use for a mini tier tray. Next, Crafter Squares has an assortment of these small little glass jars. Yes, they're glass and they are so adorable. This one reminds me of a little glass mason jar. So I thought this would be perfect to have a little itty bitty succulent plant that I found also from Dollar Tree Florals. So there you have it. So again, this is just one of those not glass, but those little glass bottles that you get from Dollar Tree. And just using a transfer. Again, I got this from Theresa B DIY. Thank you again, sweet friend. And just making it look like a perfume bottle or anything you like. Last but not least, what would a tier tray be without a little mini wreath? So that's what I'm making right here, even though it goes off camera sometimes. Just a little mini wreath with this garland that I got at Holo. That's right, Hobby Lobby. But you can find this garland at the Dollar Tree as well. I'm not as lucky, I couldn't find it. So just making a little bow, and this will be the last add to my tier tray. So let's take a look and see the tier tray all put together. This is so much fun. So here we go. There's my tier tray. There's my beaded garland. There's my little sign. I had too much fun with this. I really did. There's my little tree. And another little photo picture, something like that. My little baby succulent. And what else did I do? Oh, I'm trying to figure out. That little perfume bottle. It's just so much fun. Another little succulent. And, of course, you have to have a coffee mug. What's a tier tray without a coffee mug? And then last but not least, that cute little wreath to top it off. And there you have it. I know. I made a mini tier tray from my tier tray. Just let's review what I made. So I made a little mini wooden garland because we always have that. And we have a little coffee mug. We have some succulents. I love the little succulent in a mason jar of all things. And some other greenery and some signs. But anyway, I thought this was such a cute idea for my tier tray. So now I have a mini tier tray for my tier tray. I want to thank my dear friend Corie of Crafted by Corie for creating this challenge that is monthly. So if you missed out this month, don't worry. You can come back, try it again next month. I would love to see what you make. I want to thank all of you for watching. And if you're new here, please let me know in the comments below. Just say, hey, I'm new here. I came over from whatever channel. Please, let's give shout outs to all the wonderful creators out there. So let me know how you found me. And if you're a returning friend, I can't thank you enough for spending some time with me. As I always say, stay safe, be kind. God bless each and every one of you. And remember to live the adventure. No adventure is too small. I'll see you soon, guys. Bye.